So now I'm going to work on our rice stuffing for our roast chicken. So I have my frying pan with olive oil. I'm just gonna let that heat up and add chopped onions, and garlic. So what I have is just a pot of rice. I'm just going to use some for the stuffing. This has been cooked overnight. Breadcrumbs. Some cooking herbs. Let's get some flavor. Salt. And mix. Okay, this is what we want. Everything is nicely incorporated. The onion, garlic, breadcrumbs, and the other seasoning nicely incorporated. Okay, our stuffing is ready. Okay, here's our chicken. I prepared this last night, the seasoning and everything. What I added was allspice, garlic, scallion, thyme, all-purpose seasoning, salt, black pepper, just all the usual seasoning I added. Maybe I added a little jerk sauce as well, the dried jerk seasoning, and I put it in the fridge overnight. And now I'm ready to stuff this lovely chicken. And what I'm going to be roasting it in is this cast iron pot. And let's get started. Okay guys, so it's time to stuff our chicken. Here I have the rice. And let's just check the cavity. Alright, I think I had some onions and so on inside. Okay, so here you can see a lot of space. I know a lot of people are opposed to stuffing a raw chicken. They prefer to have the stuffing separate, but trust me, this is really good, like super good. So you want to put the rice in, you want to pack it in. It looks like after I added all the fresh vegetables, and now we're going to lay our chicken on top of this. So guys, our chicken is ready for the oven. And remember to always preheat to get the oven going before we add whatever we're. Let's check on this chicken. Ooh. Okay guys, let's check on this chicken. Alright, so now we need to baste it so we can get nice, succulent, juicy, and golden colors. Boy. Still going. Time to leave the cover off so it can brown. Woo! Woo! Beautiful. Last check. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, I love it. I'm in love with a chicken. She's so sexy and brown and golden and so yummy looking. I'm in love with a chicken. Oh, she's so sexy, this chicken. I'm in love with a chicken. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with a chicken. Look at that. Let's just zoom in on that. I'm in love with a chicken. This is the rice stuffing. Yum. Yum. Okay guys, this is our completed roasted chicken stuffed with rice in our cast iron pot. Look at that. I really hope you try this rice stuffed chicken. I know a lot of people are against stuffing chicken, stuffing the raw chicken. They'd rather have their stuffing separate, but I'm telling you, this is worth trying. It is so, like the rice with the breadcrumbs and the onions, it's so good guys. Please try it and tell me how you like it. Until next time, bye.